Hello, everyone, it's me, the poorly drawn announcer. Yeah, we couldn't afford a nice design for me due to budget cuts. This show is mostly inspired by the 100 characters object show. So go watch that. Now let's see the 101 contestants.
Hey guys, my mommy made me sign up for this. Do not worry, I'll defend you. Hey guys. Hey, ask me why I'm hanging around. Because I'm hanging by a string. Yeah. I found an orange paint when I was like 8 minutes years old. Non-existent didn't show up, so I took his place instead. Hey, check out my epic music playlist.
You're a Minecraft girl. I think your black's a bit too much. You'll be loved.
We're so totally like magic pencil from BFD.
Can I have your money? Please, even a penny will help. I'm only competing so I can get my sister far in this competition because I know she'll get out early.
Step 1. Completed object story level. You might have been multiple of them.
I'm here to compete with my sister. I hope she said something nice about me. Hey, the show, someone would help me out right now. Anybody?
The only music I can play is this.
Fortnite balls.
I threw it out, got a PlayStation 7, but I threw it out, got a PlayStation 8. Nah, bro, what the hell? I'll present to you the PlayStation 8.
Whatever we're battling for, I want it, even if it's nothing. Hey guys, it's me.
I'm Pickle Rick.
Hey God. A random dog peed on me. I peed on my dog. Wait, no, that sounded much better in my head.
No.
Hi, I'm Billy Bob. I need to go party. I know.
Hi, I really don't know what else to say here, so,
Hey, tell me something. There's a delicious Subway food montage going on right behind me, isn't there? Yep, I can smell it.
And effigagus.
do you know how much I've been through?
Blake's Lottaburger.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Don't ask about my arm.
The only good thing that came so far. The sausage is very, very overrated.
You ain't nothing. You ain't nothing.
Hello.
Is it on? Okay, watch this, guys.
I'm highly offended.
Baller.
Dude, that meme died in like 2022. Okay, let's do 100 push-ups. 1.
Do your audition and stop being on your phone.
No.
I'll take this then.
Hey, so do you wanna, I don't know, maybe...
No.
Wait, don't skip. Then you're gonna miss out on these.
Look, the only reason why I'm dirty is because I fell in mud at the dog park.
I don't think that was mud.
Alone at the edge of a universe.
Oye, tío, ¿me compra la skin de Chun-Li?
Normal, sobrino, traje la tarjeta.
Sí, ya tengo a Chun-Li. Gracias, tío.
De nada, sobrino, que lo disfrute.
What do you mean I'm green? Fishy. Hey, look at my long limbs. Wee.
You're gonna see your captain complete this very important mission.
I'm bored. Jones is my real life. Oh, we are not a 2-in-1 thing. This idiot just won't let me go. Shut. Guess what my favorite color is? Don't call me Needy or Needle. This feels kind of pointless. Hey guys, it's me, the zipper that zips your jacket. Zip zip.
I'm a cheesecake, and you'd better believe it.
Yep, okay.
Hello, 101 contestants. Today you guys will be battling for...
Hey announcer, I noticed you didn't put up my audition.
Wait, who are you?
Me? Forgettable character?
Let me double check. Oh wait, we're one person down. Yeah, I'll put it up then, since we only have 100 contestants, and not 101 now that I realize. Also, that cone head on the zombie only counts as one.
You mean me or the stupid zombie? Hey guys.
Just how much do we get?
There we go. Now let's get started.
That was probably the worst intro I've ever seen in my life.
The first challenge is to do anything. And only one of you can win. Do anything, even if you fart on me.